Today I'm going to show you how you can build your very own effective keyword automation using Perplexity AI and Make.com. And by the end of the tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive spreadsheet packed with valuable keyword data, including such things as monthly search volumes, cost per click, long tail keywords and the variations on long tails, related search terms and user intent phrases. And the best part is it won't cost you a fortune. So why Perplexity? Well, let's talk about why Perplexity is a smart choice for you doing keyword research. First of all, it's powered by advanced AI technology, similar to what's driving the future of search engines like Google's SGE and GPT search. It provides fresh current data that reflects how people actually search, and it's incredibly cost effective compared to traditional tools. Speaking of the elephant in the room, the cost of a similar tool such as SEMrush, $139 a month, Ahrefs, $129 a month, well, we can sort of make those costs obsolete or at least make it a lot cheaper for you to do your proper keyword research. What you'll get out of this automation that I'm showing you is you should be able to improve your Google rankings. You can drive more organic traffic to your website. You can generate quality leads, and then you can increase sales and support your content strategy. So before we get started, what you will need is, of course, you'll need a Make.com account, where our channel is all about using Make and Make automation. So you'll need a Make.com account. Link should be down below. Otherwise, just surf over to Make.com, top right, make an account. Then you will need an Airtable account, which is like Google Sheets, but then on steroids. And of course, you will need a Perplexity account. So you need the Perplexity API connection. Those are the three things that you'll need. So let's dive into it and I'll show you exactly how this works. So this is what our automation looks like. Really, really simple. If you know a little bit about AI and AI automation, it's all about how you put stuff together and how you're prompting things. This is a very, very simple way of doing proper keyword research. I'm going to take you step by step through how this works. First thing you need to do, you need to head over to Make.com. If you've never seen anything like this, then you will need to go over to Make.com, get a free account. Next thing you need to do is get our link. So you need to be able to build this. So in order to do that, comment the word keyword, just the word keyword down below. And within 15 minutes, we'll send you a link back where you can get this automation from. After you've set up your school.com account, you log in, you click on create a scenario, and instead of hitting this beautiful purple button here, you go more, import blueprints, and you import the downloaded file that we gave you, and it will populate it straight away for you. The next step is that you need to connect your Perplexity account on. You hit add, you go to your Perplexity, you search for API, and then you put your new API key in here. It's that simple. So this is our automation. First thing it does, you're looking at a Airtable account, and I have that one open here. So I have two tabs, keyword and expanded keywords. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to put in a keyword here. So shall we say puppy training. I'm going to hit enter. Next thing I can do, I can just hit this drop down here, and I can say expand. And now what's happening in the background is that this automation has started to run. And here we go. So it's running through the whole automation. So what it's doing, it's going to update a table first, update a record. So if I look, it's updated this to processing. Now, if I watch this table here, or this field here, you'll see in a sec that it's going to start populating it. First of all, it's going to have a look, it's going to find the main keyword. So that would be that puppy training that we put in. It's going to search for main keywords or long tail keywords related to it. NLP keywords, it's going to come up with FAQs, it's going to come up with semantically related keywords. And after that, it's going to take all of this and turn it into structured data together with an iterator. And the iterator is that it takes loads of data and it sort of just hands it off one by one to our automation. So you'll see at the end here that after it's gone through the iterator, it'll just start pinging around here. So every time a field is fully done or a module is fully complete, it gives a little 1 at the top, But as soon as it comes to here, after the iterator, you'll see that this will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because it's populating the spreadsheet within Airtable. So I'm just going to wait a second until we're at the end. Okay, so like I said, now you can see that it started populating our Airtable. So let me have a look. Here you can see it all, and if I click on expanded keywords, you can see it's actually, as we speak, coming up with the keywords. So it will tell you what kind of keyword is it. Is it a main keyword? Is it additionally relevant keyword? Is it semantically related? Is it an FAQ? And it will actually tell you, let's just pick one, puppy training, puppy pad. So you can see from here what the average monthly search is, what the cost per click is, and what the competition is. And it will just put it all back straight into your this field here on the first tab. And then when it's all done, it will say complete. So that in a nutshell is our whole automation. If you've liked this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe. I like making videos like this, and it really motivates me if we get interaction and likes on the video. So let me take you through this. So the first two, what it does here, we're looking at the Airtable. So within the Airtable, we have an automation running. So besides running automations in make.com, you can actually train Airtable to do automations for you. So I'm just going to take you through them. It's going to say here, table keyword, when keyword is not empty, so when it has been filled in, and expand keyword is expand. It'll start running the automation. Then it will start running the script. It will send off to that webhook, and then it has a little bit of code in here. So after it's done that, it's going to talk to a Perplexity module. Okay, provide a comprehensive list of top main keywords related to the original keyword that we put in. So it's grabbing a field from the keyword that's being put in there. Include terms that are highly relevant and frequently searched by users interested in this topic. So it will say provide global search volume, CPC, and competition low, medium, high, etc., etc. Output only the results, no intro. Okay, so this is a very important part. Output only the result, no intro. I am passing the data to another LLM. You're going to hand it off to another module. So you're telling this first module that you're doing that. That way it only gives that context that you're looking for. And you do that for every step. So after you found the main keyword, it'll start making long tail keywords. After that, it's going to search for NLP keywords. So here's our prompt for it. After that, we'll start making FAQs. And like I said before, this is a very simple way of doing a keyword research, but it's very effective. Just look at the results. Then it's going to come up with semantically related keywords. Then after that, we've put in a ChatGPT where we're going to say structure the data. So it's going to combine all of this data, and then it's going to turn it into, let me just show you. It's going to turn it, where's the prompt? That will be loading here. You are a data parser. Spelled wrong. You will be providing unstructured data that needs organizing into the following titles. So we'll actually turn this into a JSON array, which structures data, and then it will send that same data off to an iterator. And the iterator will just structure everything per single line. And every single line will just be fed into this part of the automation. And which causes, let me just show you what it would look like as a result. See, every keyword that it's come up with, so puppy crate, puppy biting, puppy obedience trading, it's just putting them all in single lines, and those single lines get read by or be fed into the next part of the automation in our data sheets. So here it will just be placed in here one by one, with all the data and all the structure. So that's all this automation does, and we at Make It No Code are adamant that this can really improve your search results. So use it for yourself, use it for a project that you're working on, use it for a client, even sell it to a client. Build a SaaS around doing keyword research and use this. Do whatever you want with it. Just remember to make it no code.